Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you all the DPI settings that are on your OPPO Reno 15. The first thing that we will have here is located in the settings and display and brightness section. If you scroll down here, you will find display size. Here, as you can see, we have large, standard and small. Apart from that, if we go back and tap font, we can increase the font size, decrease the font size, and apart from that, we can increase the font weight or decrease it. Or if the reset button, we can reset our settings. Now, apart from these two settings, over here we can go back and scroll all the way down. Here, as you can see, tap System and Update. And once you're here, you need to wait a moment. Where was that? It will be. It won't be here. It will be in About Device section. Here, About Device. And now, once you're here, as you can see, here we have version, and now here we have baseband version and version number. Tap version number until you see enter login password, and once you enter your login password, you'll be a developer. Go back, and tap System and Update. And here you have the developer options. And now scroll down till you see here, wait a moment, where was that? Drawing. Scroll down even further, smallest width. As you can see here, we have the smallest width of our screen. We can increase it to some value that we want. As you can see, now we have 400 DP. We can increase it, I think, to the 600, maybe 720. Let's check. 600 works. Let me check the maximum value. As you can see, the maximum value is 899 DP. Now I need to somehow tap this option and change it back to normal. Here, let me, for example, now set it to 200. Save. And that's actually how it works. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section down below. And as I remember, here 320 is the smallest default value. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.